TigerFitness.com, representing the city, the Queen City of Cincinnati. Even though I never lived there, I do train there once in a while. Anyway, pre-workout ritual. Today is chest day. Now I have a special challenge on the line today. I told the members of the TigerFitness.com Facebook fan page where we give away a free product every day. Not only are we going to give away our normal free product, we're also going to give away a tub of the most in-demand protein on the planet right now, MTS Nutrition Whey, if I can get 405 on bench today, 4 days out from my show. Now, I have some DS Craze up in here, and I am going to put my pre-workout ritual, 2 scoops, a little bit of that there Hemavol from iForce, Plasma Hemavol, the volumizer. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to put 2 scoops of this in here, and that will be my pre-workout pump ritual. Now, chest today, I treat training pre-contest like any other day. Now, I got to tell you, today's been a very, very, very interesting yet bad day. I woke up, and I thought it was just from a hellacious leg day yesterday. Couldn't walk, I was tired, run down, felt like crap. Then I realized my wife had it yesterday too. Yep, it was the stomach flu, came rearing its head. Pepto-Bismol Max, baby. That's been my savior today. But I think I got it in me. I think this Craze and Hemavol is going to get me through training. And tomorrow, I think we're going to do back, Tyson and I. Then I'm going to drive and do some arms on Thursday. Friday, I'm going to do a quick pump. Saturday, I'm going to get on stage. See, the thing is, for a lot of people, I recommend taking time off. But here's the thing. I look best when I train. And I look best the day after training. And my goal with contest prep is to do what I do to look my best. And I think by taking time off and doing all this voodoo and, you know, run around the block and sauna and all that, it's just going to risk too many things. I'd rather come in 5% less than being 10% worse. And that's a risk you take when you do the voodoo. But nonetheless, today is chest day, chest and triceps. I'm ready to rock. I'm 4 days out. It is go time. Time to rock it. Marc Lobliner, TigerFitness.com. Prepping, almost done after this show. I got a guest posing in New York, but I ain't going to be this dry and shredded for a guest posing. I'm going to have some fun. My kids are baking me a special treat for after my show, and I don't know what it is, but I'm going to eat it all. Peace out. Yes, sir. Mess it up. Fuck it, let's go. Fuck it. So, this off. Yep. Step back now. Fall. monetary gain involved.
Right. And then on board, right. I know we had to hold that.
Oh man. No elbow.
No what?
No elbow. I love it. It's a miracle.
Bye.